Massive, highly classified supply chain leaks for the upcoming Garmin Fenix 9 Pro have just surfaced, and the specifications we are seeing are absolutely insane. This is not just another minor yearly refresh. We are talking about a complete hardware revolution that is actively designed to put every other flagship smartwatch on the planet to shame. Today, we are breaking down the highly guarded secrets of Garmin's next multi-sport flagship. We have intercepted verified data from the Asian component supply chain, detailing things like an ultra-efficient micro-LED display option, an invisible solar architecture that unlocks a true forever battery, and structural changes that completely alter how this watch operates off the grid. If you are a serious athlete, an ultra-runner, or a backcountry explorer who demands absolute perfection from your gear, you cannot afford to miss this breakdown. Let us start with the massive display shakeup, because Garmin is about to resolve a multi-year debate that has split the community in two. For the last few generations, buyers had to make a brutal compromise. Do you choose the bright, beautiful but power-hungry AMOLED panel? Or do you opt for the dull, washed-out but highly efficient memory and pixel display? The Fenix 9 Pro is stepping in to erase that compromise entirely. Internal testing logs show that Garmin is preparing a next-generation micro-LED display option alongside their refined AMOLED variants. If you are not familiar with micro-LED, this is the absolute holy grail of screen technology. It uses microscopic, non-organic, light-emitting diodes for every single pixel. This allows the Fenix 9 Pro to push a blinding peak brightness of up to 4,500 nits, which easily destroys the current flagship competition. But here is the real kicker. Because it avoids the efficiency pitfalls of traditional panels, it delivers that insane brightness while consuming a fraction of the power. We are looking at a display that remains completely vivid and readable under direct, blinding desert sunlight, yet sips battery like a traditional high-efficiency screen. Furthermore, for tactical and night operations, Garmin is introducing a super-low nit ambient mode that preserves night vision and stretches energy metrics to unprecedented lengths. But what good is a flawless display without the energy to back it up? This brings us to the second major leak, the implementation of Solar 3.0 technology. Garmin has filed a series of fascinating patents for a highly efficient, completely invisible solar layer integrated directly beneath the display crystal, replacing the visible red-tinted solar ring of older models. By combining this high-efficiency photovoltaic layer with the low power consumption of the new micro-LED variant, Garmin is targeting what internal documents refer to as indefinite runtime. In standard expedition mode with sufficient sunlight exposure, the Fenix 9 Pro will theoretically never need to touch a charging cable. Even under heavy smartwatch utilization with continuous background health tracking, the 51mm variant is projected to deliver an astonishing 35 days of real-world battery life. For tracking precision, Garmin is also addressing one of the rare complaints regarding navigation in deep wilderness or dense urban environments. The Fenix 9 Pro will introduce a groundbreaking tri-band global navigation satellite system. While current high-end watches utilize dual-band systems, adding a third dedicated satellite frequency allows the Fenix 9 Pro to achieve sub-meter positioning accuracy. Whether you are navigating a sheer vertical cliff face in the Rockies or running through the towering skyscrapers of major cities, this tri-band array effectively eliminates signal bounce and multipath errors. This translates to perfectly accurate instant pace metrics, exact distance tracking, and zero mapping drift. The internal navigation software is getting an equally massive performance boost. Garmin is upgrading the main processor architecture to handle a new, ultra-smooth 120 Hz interface. If you have ever tried to pan and zoom through complex, data-heavy topographical maps on a current Garmin watch, you know it can feel slightly sluggish compared to a modern smartphone. The new processor completely eliminates that bottleneck, rendering vector maps, elevation contours, and complex shading in real time without a single frame drop. Now, let us talk about safety and off-grid independence, because this is where Garmin is drawing a clear line in the sand against its competitors. For a long time, if you wanted true satellite safety in the deep backcountry, you had to pack a separate handheld communicator. That era is officially ending. The supply chain leaks confirm that the Fenix 9 Pro will feature a fully integrated satellite transceiver called SatLink 360 This hardware array utilizes a newly patented omnidirectional antenna built right into the Grade 5 titanium bezel. This gives you the ability to send and receive two-way emergency text messages directly from your wrist, anywhere on Earth, completely independent of cellular networks or phone connections. It is a literal lifesaver for solo adventurers who venture way past the reach of cell towers. On the health side, the back of the watch reveals a completely redesigned biometric layout, the Elevate Gen 6 optical sensor array. This new system introduces a much higher density of photodetectors and a variable wavelength LED matrix. The headline feature here is the introduction of non-invasive blood pressure trend insights. Instead of relying on a constricting arm cuff, the Gen 6 sensor continuously samples arterial pulse wave velocity to chart your blood pressure trends over time, providing critical data on how your cardiovascular system reacts to high-altitude stress and intense training loads. The Elevate Gen 6 sensor also unlocks highly advanced sports science metrics. We are seeing references to on-wrist sweat loss metrics and real-time hydration coaching, which dynamically calculates your precise electrolyte and water replacement needs based on your active metabolic output and ambient temperature. Combined with an upgraded training readiness algorithm, the watch evaluates your sleep architecture, optical heart rate variability, and historical stress to give you an incredibly accurate picture of exactly how hard you can push your body on any given day. Structurally, Garmin is managing to pack all of this cutting-edge tech into a chassis that is noticeably thinner and lighter than the current generation. By switching to a high-precision, unibody Grade 5 titanium housing with an advanced diamond-like carbon coating, they have shaved crucial millimeters off the casing profile. The legendary leak-proof inductive buttons are back, ensuring a perfect physical click with zero internal moving parts that could fail under extreme oceanic depths. The watch will maintain its full dive-rated certification, making it a true do-everything tool from alpine summits to deep-sea reefs. So, when can you actually get your hands on this powerhouse, and how much will it damage your wallet? Historically, Garmin operates on a highly consistent late summer to early fall release window for their flagship refreshes. Our tracking data points directly to an official unveiling in late August or early September. As for pricing, given the inclusion of premium micro-LED panels, integrated satellite hardware, and the advanced titanium unibody design, the Fenix 9 Pro lineup is expected to start at approximately $999 for the standard sizing, with the maxed-out 51mm Sapphire Solar editions pushing closer to $1,199. It is a premium price tag, but for the tier of authentic, life-saving tech packed into this chassis, it completely redefines what a flagship wearable can be. Make sure to subscribe to Tap Tech right now to get the absolute fastest updates on the Fenix 9 Pro as more factory data drops. Leave a comment below letting us know if you think these specs justify skipping the current generation or if you are planning to stick with what is on your wrist right now. Thank you for listening, stay safe out there on the trails, and we will see you next time.